Okay, so we're going to part 3. So we're going to continue again. So you need going to patch again the following. So this one SRB, and then copy the patch. Okay. 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 Yes. Okay. So, and then we need to set this one. Going to go here. Update this one. So ch mode r plus x. What is the formation? Oops. It should be rx, I think rx. Yeah, so if I, and then we need to run the IP update. Okay, okay, so the if you remember, we added some extensions. You need to copy this one. We added the ConfBridge extension. We need to update the IP. Okay, so the old IP, and then this one, then save. Okay, and then going to check our dialer. So if you go to the conference ConfBridge, yeah, so it's already on 8. Then go to the servers. Okay, modified, so you can set ConfBridge here. Okay, so already set. Then we submit, and then we can check screen ls. So as you can see, we have here already the hub comp. I think we can now do a test or load. Okay, and then we will try it. So copy. Okay, I will get one user for test. Okay, agents. Okay, so let's check that. Okay, So as you can see here, it's already on ConfBridge. Okay, see protocol, allow. Okay, so it's work. Okay, so as you can see, it's already playing soft mix ConfBridge participant GSM. Okay, so hope you are now you are follow the videos. I'm sorry for that the video is cut on 3 part because they have my recording software is getting expired, so I need to fix it. So the other we will try to make update video on single video. Okay, for now this 3 part I will upload this video as part 1, 2 and 3. Okay, hope you like it and follow our channel HBT tutorial. And once again, thank you for watching and following our channel, and don't forget to like and share it so that they have somebody know it also. And also don't forget to send some donations so that we can continue to manage our channel. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.